How to make your GoDaddy website secure. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make your website of GoDaddy secure. So the process is going to be pretty much very easy and simple. If you have a website on GoDaddy, that means most of the parts you're going to have it to something like this. That means that you have a subdomain from GoDaddy. So the subdomain is good. This is not something bad, I admit. But for the security, it is going to be preferable to buy a domain either from GoDaddy or from the other registrar out there. That means that you're going to buy or have a domain, and that domain is going to have some specific settings like the SSL keys or SSL securities. You're going to have some certificates, security certificates, and also you're going to have advanced security features. So basically, you're going to be secured with the domain. It is going to be coming with a specific security page and certificates. So aside from that, you cannot do much aside from buying a domain. So remember, if you want to buy a domain on GoDaddy, it is going to be pretty much very simple. You head over domains, type in, for example, the name of your website. For example, Jack Smith like this, or Jack Store like that, and you're going to find all of the domains that are available. So this one is going to be pretty much very say heavy or expensive. You can go ahead and use the org.com is going to be something that we do not support because it is charging too much. Jack.store is going to be also too much. Online, it's okay. This one is okay. This one also is okay. So you're going to select the cheapest one that you can buy, and then you're going to be setting up this. So 0.01, do not think that it is going to be 0.0 like they saying, but as you can see, it is first year only with 3-year terms. That means that we have an engagement. So it is not going to be 0.01 as they mentioned. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. We hope to see you soon on the next one.